Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage a print shop with Monday.com. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all the features and can start managing your print shop workflow right away. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look at the left panel of your screen and click the plus icon. Once you click it, hover your mouse over board, and from the options that appear, select New Board. This is where you'll create a dedicated workspace specifically for managing your print shop operations. Now you'll see a text field where Monday.com is asking you to describe what you need. In this field, type a prompt like printing shop. This tells Monday's AI exactly what kind of workflow you want to set up, so it can generate a board that's already tailored to your needs. Next, you'll need to select your privacy type. You'll see options like main, private, and shareable. Choose the one that fits how you want to use the board, then click Create Board. Once you do this, Monday.com automatically generates groups, columns, statuses, sample tasks, and timelines based on your prompt. It's designed to give you a ready-made structure so you don't have to start from scratch. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Monday.com creates your board. During this time, the system is building out the layout and populating it with relevant sections and fields. Just give it a moment to finish processing everything. Once the board is ready, you can now customize the items to match your actual print shop workflow. You'll see sections for pending jobs, in progress, and completed, along with columns for statuses, quantity, client, and priority. This is where you can adjust everything to fit the specific needs of your business. You can rename items, add or remove columns, and organize tasks in a way that makes sense for how you run your print shop. And that's it. You've successfully set up a print shop management board on Monday.com, and now you have a fully functional workspace to track jobs, clients, and priorities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.